Hey guys, welcome back. If you want to keep the stock radio head unit but still want to be able to use your phone to listen to music, I think the cleanest way of doing it is with this Bluetooth adapter kit from a company called SAABAUX. And a very quick announcement about the channel merch. What I'm wearing right now is the vegan embroidered hoodie, but I also have a bunch of other minimalist SAAB design shirts and stickers and what have you. Your love and support is always appreciated, and it goes a long way because I'll put the money right back into the channel so I can provide a higher quality content and more fun things for you guys. So please check them out in the description below. Don't forget to check them out, and as always, thank you. So the kit comes with this radio removal tool and the wire harness, which I'll explain as I go, and the module, which is this thing. The installation is very easy. It doesn't destroy anything in the process. So let's go in the car and see what we're working with. Before we get to the radio, we need to remove this climate control and these buttons to get access to this cigarette lighter for power. So what I like to do is get a trim removal tool and start with one of these buttons. There we go. So I already taken this apart and I put it back in for the video, but you know, you just disconnect the connections in the back. And then you can also take this one out like that. Guys, I just found out something new today. This storage thing right here, the lid comes off. Like, what? Does this have a function? That's crazy. I didn't know that. I've owned this same car for like 10 years. Is it supposed to fall down? Not really. Anyways, if you guys know what that's about, please write in the comments. I'm very curious. And by the way, this is the interior temperature sensor, so be very careful with this. But you reach in the back here and like that. So in the back here, you can see this connection for the cigarette lighter. I already removed it, so you remove that. And the wire harness, there's a male and a female that looks the same. So you plug in the original wire harness into this one here, and then you plug this one back into the cigarette lighter. Okay, there we go. And now time to remove the radio. You could use like really small screwdrivers, like 4 of them, and stick it in there. It pretty much does the same thing. I guess this does make it easier. There we go. So now that you got the radio out, there is this one, the top one. It's also red or pink. And that one, you remove that. And the harness has a female and a male again. So you put the female to the one here. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then you put the red one from the new wire harness back into the original head unit. And then lastly, this wire goes to the unit itself. There we go. And then you just tuck everything back in. Okay, so I'm an idiot. Before you plug in everything willy-nilly like me, you want to put everything in the back and take it out from the bottom like this. Otherwise, you'll just have wires hanging out everywhere on the outside. So yeah. And by the way, I've always thought that the stock placement of the buttons are kind of weird. So I'm gonna switch it up to this, which makes so much more sense. You got the passenger side heated seat on the passenger side, and same thing with the driver's side, and you got everything else in the middle. So that's how I like my buttons. All right, so we're gonna test it real quick. Radio is on. Press the CD button twice, and it says CD1, and it's already asking my phone to pair. So now it says SAABAUX is paired, and then I'm gonna play something real quick. There we go. So the volume buttons, they work. This might be muted because of copyright, I don't know. And then the seek actually doesn't work, but the next button here, the next button works, goes to the next track, so it's all good. So that was the install of the SAAB aux module. Great product, easy to install and works great. Even works with steering controls, and I love that it's clean. There's nothing hanging outside 10 out of 10, 100% recommended. If you have any questions about the install or the product, please let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hello.
Hello. This is SAAB.
SAAB, yeah, this is SAAB.
How about this?
That one is Hyundai.
Sunday?
Yeah.
No, how come I go?
한국말 Santa Fe.
How about your one this?
Huh?
How about your one this?
This one?
Your one.
This one 한국말?
No, this one your one. 이거 your one.
영어? Oh, 영어 SAAB.